Grandpa, Alicia, and Grandma. And me. And you. There's people over there.
Okay, you know about Adrian. No problem. Do you want to have
I'm getting How far is it gone? Oh, not even a minute.
better say grace? Oh, that was nice.
I should stick that. She'll probably see it.
I'm gonna have to try to use the restroom.
You have a little cup, Mama. Why does Mama have a little cup?
I don't think she's gonna do anything.
Oh. I took an aspirin.
Yeah.
Geez, I usually don't get headaches.
I don't know.
Aspirin?
You said you were super hungry.
This looks good.
I ordered the
Chicken. Chow mein. That's it. Don't worry, I'll wait for you guys. I'm gonna wait for Lindsay.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
you got your toast, Lindsay?
Just a piece of toast. That's all I eat is toast.
Oh, you get Lindsay's no dry piece of toast.
That's for sure.
Oh, Lord. This ain't what Lisa gets.
My dinner's coming. They're
Yeah,
cooking it. Neither do I.
You don't like chow mein? I thought it was something else. Ooh, yummy.
Thank you.
That looks good. Here, let's move that over here. I'm yours.
My gosh, look at that.
Did you want ketchup or anything?
French fries.
I'll have leftovers for tomorrow. I don't really like this stuff, so I'll try it.
I'm gonna eat now.
They missed us.
All done.
Yeah. They want to keep you around. They want to keep you around.
Oh, no, damn.
Yeah, but I don't mind giving a moolah here.
No, really, how much was our food? About $20. For me and the girls? Well, for you and Lindsay.
All together.
All together was $42 for everybody.
Yeah.
Geez, the way Grandma was looking at, she made it seem like.
Hi there.
He forgot.
Let's see. The only thing I have is this.
40 bucks.
All right, you don't have to give me none. That's the rent check.
Oh, all righty. Cabbage. Cabbage. Thank you, sis.
You wish wish it was for you. Aunt Mary would be wondering, where's the money, Floyd?
Yep.
I ain't got a tip. All I have is 20.
I left it to him already. You don't have to.
Well, I wanted to leave a tip.
I left her $5.
Oh,
Leisha.
Ooh, you're not gonna eat your lemon?
No, you can have it.
uh-uh.
Did you want it?
Yeah.
Here you go. Well, it's got some of that icky stuff on it, but
Gotta pick on Grandma. Nope, you can't have the lemon,
I don't
Grandma.
know what that is.
Tartar sauce.
That's tartar sauce?
Oh, remember that lady? She ate tartar sauce on everything?
Oh, yeah.
That's disgusting.
She ate it on Twinkies and all of her food.
Whatever you get used to.
Put it in with your water.
What?
Your lemon. Squeeze it in your water.
You're gonna eat it just like that?
With salt.
Let's film her eating a lemon.
What's so exciting about that? Ooh. She's eating a lemon.
Lemon.
Wow.
Not real bad. That's getting right.
I don't like lemons. I only like them on in my teas if I
Oops. That's nice. Sounds like a nice young girl.
Hopefully.
I mean, she comes to help.
Thank you. It's really good.
Have a good night. She said next time we all come. She wants us all to come back.
Yeah, she likes us all to come.
film the sign.
They don't recognize me and Lindsay much because we don't come.
Yeah.
I just don't. We need to just head home. I don't know. Are we going home? Maybe next time, okay, when we get more time.
I said that.
We're just gonna go home.
Okay. I said, is that your daughter? Son's girlfriend.
She's pretty.
Oh, she is.
Why not be as pretty as you girls? She seems somewhat nice. You're getting in.
I don't know.
Bye bye.